Hey guys, it's Chris here, and in this silver box we have the MindKoo BE04. This is a neckband in-ear Bluetooth headphone. I give this product an overall rating of 6 out of 10. It's a little bit on the pricey side at $29.99. If you can get it cheaper than that, check it out. So the features of the headset. It goes around your head and under your neck. It's pretty lightweight on the side over here. It's thin. It's a light plastic. And all the controls are on your right side, right over here. You also have the battery, so that's what it is. It's pretty evenly weighted, even though all the controls are here, and I don't know what's in here, but evenly weighted on both sides. It's a flat style cable, and you have magnets here that come together to put them like that. This is kind of cool. I do like it. I do wish it was just a little bit more better way to put this here. So wearing this thing is like a dentist. You just put it around your head and it goes like that. The controls are on the right side and the battery is there too, but I found that the thing's pretty evenly weighted. So even though all the stuff is here, this place it weighs about the same weight, so it's nice and comfortable. Here it's a very pliable plastic, and the thing is lightweight from all the way here to here, which has where the weight is holding it down. It's hardly noticeable, so you can wear it for countless hours. The longest I've gone through is 5 hours. And that's where fatigue sets in. That's where you maybe want to take a break and just stop listening for a sec, because your ears don't necessarily hurt. It just feels kind of weird. But yeah, most I've gone through is 5 hours. So it does look pretty cool, and then when you put them on, they're like little fins here that you put over there into your ear. And to be honest, they're really comfortable. My only wish was that I wish the sound quality was a lot better than what it was. Just because of how comfortable these are, if they sounded a lot better, I'd be wearing them even longer. Yeah, so sound quality, I give it a 3 out of 5, and for that reason is it was kind of, there was not a lot of separation in the types of voices, the drums, instruments. Yeah, there wasn't a lot of separation with those. You couldn't tell where, yeah, soundstage was kind of lacking. It was kind of like, this is the soundstage level. It was like that. So I gave it a 3 out of 5 for sound. And you can also change the earbud tips for Comply foam earbuds, just to make it more comfortable and longer lasting when you're in your ears. So the main reason I give it a 6 out of 10 is for the audio quality. I wish it had a better soundstage or separation with the music, instruments, and maybe a little bit, yeah, separation. Let me listen to it again. So to listen to it, you put it in your ear and you have 3 buttons: volume up, volume down, skip track for double press, and you press and hold the middle for on and off. And it'll tell you power on, connected, and after that, you start playing music. Very, very squished together. There's not much soundstage to it. So overall, comfort, it's great. But sound quality, so that's why I give it a 6 out of 10. This is a test of the microphone on the MindKoo BE04. So right now, we're going to start the recording. Now that the Bluetooth is recording, you can see that it's not going through my phone. Okay, now you hear it through the microphone. And then we're going to put it up to the phone to see if it changes. Microphone, 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 headset, 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 headset. Okay, and audio sync. There you go, it is through the headset. Yep, you can definitely tell. And then now we're going to put it through here. And put it through here. Now you can see if it's the headset, you can see me touching it, you hear a lot of static. And that's the headset microphone test. Let me know how it is. I personally think that it does the job. It's not the craziest. It doesn't do very well at isolating your voice and canceling out other stuff. Even though on the box it says it did have some type of noise canceling feature. They call it the CV 6.0 noise cancellation. Ensures top quality audio for voice recording. Alright, that's the audio test for the mic. Let's get back to the video. Thank you guys for watching. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or concerns about this earbuds, neckband, in-ear headphones, let me know in the comments below. I'll answer them as soon as possible. So when you're looking for these, I suggest sound quality and comfort. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe for future content, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.